Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NFS Home School. I am Muhammad Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National English Medium School, morning shift. Today I am going to take an English second paper class for class 6 students. Our today's topic, affirmative to negative, part 2. So let's see. Class 6, subject English second paper, term manual. Topic affirmative to negative, part 2, and this is the last part. Lecture 8, SWLV 7. Teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and this is my messenger ID. Okay, so let's start the class. We will start today rule number from rule number 10. So let's read. Affirmative sentences having always can be changed into negative by using never in place of always and the opposite word of the given affirmative word. So if we find always in affirmative sentences, we will use in place of always never. Okay, in place of always never and opposite of the given affirmative word. So agreed is a affirmative word, we will make it the opposite. So agreed opposite disagreed. Okay, disagreed with him. Next one, Rohim was always punctual. So subject will remain the same. Rohim, verb also will remain the same. In place of always, we will use never. Always will be changed into never and the opposite of the affirmative word. So punctual, opposite is late. Okay, rule number 11. Affirmative sentences having to can be changed into negative by using the following rule. So if a sentence has to, we get a negative meaning. He is too weak to go means he is so weak that he cannot go. This is the meaning. So first we have to use the subject of the given sentence. What is the subject? He. Verb, subject verb will remain the same. Then so in place of to. In place of to we will use so. In place of to we will use so. Then adjective of the after to. Adjective will also remains the same. In place of to we will use that. So in place of to we have used so. Adjective will remain the same. In place of to we have used that. Then we will again take the subject again. First subject. So first subject is he. Okay, then we can use cannot, could not. Okay, where we will use cannot. So in place, if the sentence is present tense or is given there, we use cannot. And if past tense was is given there, we will use could not. So he cannot go. Okay, number 2, she was too poor to buy. Too. Okay, the subject will remains the same, subject verb will remains the same. In place of to we will use so, adjective will remains the same. In place of to we will use that. Then we will again take the first subject, she. As was is given there, that's why we will use could not. She could not buy a gift. Okay, as was is given, that's why we are using could not. As is given, we used cannot. Okay, we will move to next rule. Rule number 12. Affirmative sentences having as is changed into negative by using not less than. He is as rich as his brother. So he and also his brother both are rich. Okay, so in this case, what we will do, subject and verb will remain the same. In place of as, we will use not less. In place of as, we will use not less. So he is not less. Adjective will remain the same. And in place of another as, we will use then. And then the rest of the thing. So what we have done, in place of as, we have used not less. In place of adjective will remain the same. In place of another as, we will use then. Everything will remain the same. 13. If the sentence indicates universal truth, then the structure auxiliary verb, not subject, verb, object. So if a sentence indicates universal truth, we will do negative interrogative. Okay, so we have to make it negative interrogative if the sentence indicates universal truth. The earth moves around the sun. So this is present indefinite tense, as after verb s is given. So we will use doesn't the sun, the earth move. As we have used doesn't, no s after the verb. Doesn't the earth move round the sun? Question mark. Okay, so if our sentence indicates universal truth, we will make it negative interrogative. That's why we are using doesn't the earth move around the sun. Next one. If a sentence starts with sometimes, then the structure will be subject, do not always, does not always, verb plus object. Okay. If a sentence starts with sometimes, so in place of sometimes we will use do not always, does not always, according to tense. So this is present indefinite tense. So we will use what we will use? Afrin one. That's why we will use does not. One person. Subject third person singular number. Afrin does not always. In place of sometimes we have to use does not always, as Afrin is one. Look healthy. Okay, they sometimes call me. So subject will remain the same. In place of sometime we will use do not, does not, and not always. So as it is present indefinite tense and subject is they, we will use do not always call me. Okay. Next rule. An affirmative sentence is containing many is changed into negative by using not a few. So if an affirmative sentence has many indicates many, we will use not a few in place of many. So there are, in place of many, what we will use? Not a few. So there are not a few students in the class. Okay, we'll move to next rule. If a sentence has a few, if a sentence indicates a few, in place of a few we will use not many. So I have a few friends. So I have, in place of a few we will use not many. So I have not many friends. Okay. If a sentence, next rule number, indicates much, we will use not a little. So he has much. In place of much, we will use not a little. So he has not a little money. Okay. Last rule, if a sentence indicates a little, in place of a little, we will use not much. Okay, so I have, in place of a little, we will use not much. I have not much rice. Okay, I hope you have understood today's topic, today's lecture. Next, go to SW. Homework will be 7. Submit on Sunday. Transform the following sentences into affirmative. So these sentences are given in the SW are negative. You have to transform the following negative. Transform the following negative sentences into affirmative. Okay, I am reading thoroughly. Okay, number 1, you have to make it affirmative. Okay, see, his parents never disliked her. Number 2, they never insisted to the duties. Number 3, he was so poor that he could not buy a pen. Jin was not less strong than Suga. Doesn't the sun set in the west? Jahin doesn't always visit my house. They have not a few pence. Kim Namjoon has not a little wealth. Jang Hosek is so weak that he cannot pass in the exam. 10. Jungkook doesn't always like to swim. I'm repeating for the last time. Number 1, you have to transform the following negative sentences into affirmative. You have to make it affirmative. Number 1, his parents never disliked her. They never insisted to their duties. He was so poor that he could not buy a pen. Jin was not less strong than Suga. 5, doesn't the sun set in the west? Jahin doesn't always visit my house. They have not a few friends. Kim Namjoon has not a little wealth. Jang Hussein is so weak that he cannot pass in the exam. Number 10, Jungkook doesn't always like to sing. So that's all for today. I hope you have understood today's topic. Do your SN SW at home and submit on Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm in the school library. You will also collect those copies on Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm in the school library. You know your SW is very important because you are giving SBS, CT and diary mark on the basis of the submission of your SW copies, and we are giving 2.5 mark each of your SW copies. So keep practicing at home. About their parents, stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.